Hi there. So ever wondering what you can use some old pallets to do? Now this video is really an afterthought. I did not plan to make it, but when my project started to look successful, I decided, to make a little video. So I got some pallets from the grocery store. And I realized a lot of times in life, if you just ask nicely enough, you get stuff free. So I got a couple free pallets from my grocery store, local grocery store. And this is what it looks like. At the beginning. And I'm going to show you how I got from here to here. So this is how the pallet came, right? I just put it back there. We already cut it. So what we did was we would have cut here and here and remove that piece. We had to cut all the top, right? And what we did was we just shaped the top of each of the pieces of board so that we're gonna get the picket fence look. Simple. And what we did, all we would have done is this middle portion of the pallet, we just put a wood under it. One in the middle piece, we didn't do it to the bottom. Notice it goes through and through. We didn't do it on the bottom because we want to make a planter. So what we want is to be able to plant some seedlings in here. So what we're going to have is a picket fence with a planter. So that's it. So it's just time to paint. Okay, so this is after we painted it and we just left it to dry. This one does not have a planter. This one this one was a bit different. All right, so it doesn't have that box to the back for a planter. So we're gonna let this one kind of stand out separate from the rest. Okay, so it's just drying. Okay, so we have our manual, and what we're gonna do is fill the planter area, the upper. So I know it looks a little messy right now, so we just planted the seedlings. And what we did, we planted celery and just a few okra seedlings to the bottom, just so that they would catch themselves, and then we'll remove these out. But we're gonna hope for the best for these here. So I'll just clean up the dust, the mess, and that's it.